Welcome to the most effective and high-quality evergreen YouTube My Business video training. We're so excited to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This is a complete, high-quality video training which will surely help you learn exactly what you need to know to generate high income with YouTube and why it's the easiest way ever for you to make some great money over the web by using effective YouTube business strategies. Let's start now. Step by step, YouTube My Business. If you want to be more successful as a video creator or maintain the growth of your YouTube channel well into the future, you need to be updated with the latest strategies and tips on how YouTube works. So let's get started. Video number 1, YouTube My Business HD video training. Video number 2, all about making money on YouTube. Video number 3, all new 10-step YouTube marketing strategy. Video number 4, how to use YouTube for business. Video number 5, latest YouTube tips for video marketing. Video number 6, how to monetize YouTube videos. Video number 7, how to tag YouTube videos for more views. Video number 8, best YouTube tag generator tools for YouTube videos. Video number 9, effective SEO techniques to drive organic traffic. Video number 10, tips to build a loyal YouTube audience and increase subscribers. Video number 11, YouTube metadata basics. Video number 12, tips and tricks to improve YouTube content. Video number 13, YouTube video optimization practices. Video number 14, best practices for YouTube video advertising. Video number 15, the complete guide to YouTube analytics. By the end, you'll have a complete understanding of how modern YouTube advertising and marketing works with a robust strategy to achieve your goals this year. Better grab a cup of coffee. We're including everything we think you need to know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.